Hey guys, thanks for watching. Elise Makes a Bunch of Videos. I hope you enjoyed my tour of the outside of where I'm staying here in Cayo for the month of July. I'm just going to do a bit of tour of the inside. Right now I'm doing this cushion. So I'm like, got all my sewing things over there. And yeah, just repairing that cushion as like a side project because I'm not really working other than taking care of the dogs. Yeah, so that's the outside from where the other video I did the other day, and yeah, so this is the living room. I just moved this mirror so it's like full length mirror, so that's exciting. That's the living room. Just got my clothes there because I think it's gonna rain today, so I don't really want to put my clothes outside. Yep. And then in here's the kitchen. So, yeah, I did laundry, so there's just stuff hanging out, but this is my little kitchen area, fridge. Yeah, got some leftovers from yesterday in here. There's no microwave, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Yeah, that's the front yard, and there's like cows in the place across the street. That's pretty much it. And then down this hallway is the bedrooms. I won't show you all the bedrooms, but yeah, there's one. This is the bathroom. Nothing too exciting in here, just sort of basic. Yep. This is where I've just moved into. I was in this other bedroom, but then yeah, now I've moved in here. Still doing the sheets for that one, so it's kind of just whatever, but yeah, this is the bed. And all my worldly possessions over there. On the dresser, little window to the front yard. Yeah. Yep, so that's it. That's the full tour of the place. Yep, pretty exciting. Be here for a bit, just sort of settling in this week, and then maybe next week we'll put in some real time to trying to find a bit of some income. But yeah, later on I might go to the library because there's no Wi-Fi here, upload all the videos that I've been filling my memory drive with on the phone because they're starting to get full. And yeah, hope you're having a good day.